What is yoga? Many people will say that yoga is asana, and many will say that is pranayama. If you understand it in normal language, then yoga has come from the Sanskrit word use, which means joint or union. Yoga means joining any two things. If you believe, I will give a simple explain. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Here we will call the plus word, which we have used yoga. Because when you do yoga too, your yoga teacher will always speak to you. Make a connection with your breath. Make a connection with your soul. That means connecting yourself. If I explain you in other way, it means which is your individual consciousness to add to universal consciousness. We call it yoga.